Hey guys, we're in Johannesburg. It is day 3. I just got back from Soweto. I just did a walking tour in Soweto. I literally booked it at like 7 a.m. this morning on Airbnb.
We call them the meshbox houses, but there are different types of meshbox houses that we have. But this one is a very typical one that was found or being built by the British and Afrikaners descendants, which we call them the Union of South Africa. That is the private home of the gentleman known as Mr. Archbishop Emirate Desmond Bilo Tutu. Those are the full names. So Nelson Mandela and Desmond Tutu, both they won the Nobel Peace Prize winner, and they stayed in the same street, but there's no chronology proof that they stay in the same street at the same time. Nelson Mandela and Winnie, they were afraid that that side, there were far-right-wing people of the AWP that wanted to assassinate Nelson Mandela as a communist. That is why one of the black rich people decided to donate some funds to build Nelson Mandela a beautiful house like this one. So that is where Nelson Mandela was being moved. We moved in this house in 1990, 91. In 92, the relationship didn't go well, and that is when they separated properties with Winnie. Winnie stayed in this house alone.
Energy, I love everything you make me want to dance like Michael Jackson in a taxi full of everyone.
So I just did that really good experience. It's raining now and I'm back at my hotel. Okay, so I got here on Sunday. It was amazing. I went and got my hair done. I went to a salon in the Sandton Mall. Very, very nice mall. It has literally every store you could possibly imagine in that mall. And then I went to the Mandela Square, which is another area with like shops and restaurants, and a huge statue of Nelson Mandela, like literally huge. And then I went out that night. I was literally so congested. Anyway, I was like, I'm still gonna go out, whatever. Uber Eats some medication. Didn't even get the right stuff, but it's fine. So I went to Saint Sundays. So I went to St. Louis Rosebank, I think. I don't know. I'll put the name on the screen and like insert some clips. And it was a vibe, but I got way too drunk. So that was Sunday. Sunday was crazy. All day yesterday, I was extremely hungover. And even today, when I went on my tour, there were some points throughout the tour, because it was a walking tour, there was a lot of walking. At some point throughout the tour, I literally felt like I was gonna throw up. I'm like, oh my God. And then we had a kota again, which is like this sandwich, this South African sandwich. And I'm not a big fan of them. I'm not gonna lie, it's just a lot going on. So I just ate like a little bit of that, and like my stomach was just like, ugh. So that's why I'm like, I'm gonna lay down right now for a little bit. I didn't even get like a really good like video of the room. I'm staying at the Hofton Hotel. If you're in Johannesburg, I would definitely recommend staying here. It's a very nice hotel. I'm pretty sure it's a 5-star hotel. Yeah, it's a 5-star hotel. It has an outdoor pool, indoor pool. It has a spa. It has a gym. It has a restaurant, bar. It has a golf course. Anyway, I wanted to like give a quick tour. Here's the kitchen. I love that it's a full service kitchen. It has a stovetop, oven, a microwave. So there's a fridge and freezer, which they stock you up with water, whatever you call that, for tea, a washing machine. Oh yeah, there's a dishwasher. Then here's the bathroom. Hi. Good morning, Josie. It's day 4. I extended my trip, so I'm staying 1 extra day because it's just that good. I'm currently at the Apartheid Museum. I just got my ticket. It says here, your ticket to the museum has randomly classified you as either white or non-white. Use the entrance to the museum indicated on the ticket. So mine says I'm white. I don't know what to say or do right now. I just woke up from a nap. You guys, it's my birthday! I'm playing every single birthday song, at least that I can think of. Yeah. What?